Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and guests, and especially Ryan. Thank you for giving us the tips how to purchase a new car. 3 steps. I'll talk about the content of your speech, your delivery, and how you appeal to the audience, how you sold your subject. First of all, you picked a subject that we all are interested in. How many of you purchased a new car? Right, all agree. Purchase a new car. The steps you take, you were well organized, your speech had an introduction and a body and a conclusion. That's good, you planned your speech well. I'll talk about things that you possibly could improve and things that you did very, very well. One thing I would suggest is you have 10 seconds to get the audience's attention, the very beginning. Maybe you could be a wheeler-dealer car salesman and try to sell it to us right away. Get us interested to see what was happening. That would improve your speech. Then at the end, tie in to the conclusion. So your beginning and your ending go together. As far as your delivery, you do have stage area here. The Toastmasters reminds me a little bit of church. You know, in church, many people want to be in that back pew. So you're going to have to relate to the whole audience. Get your attention way to the back row. Your vocal variety was pretty good, but one thing that you could do would be slow down your pace and use some pauses for effect. When you pause, do it at a transition point from one area to the next. So you can talk to this side of the audience and that side, so you feel you bring everyone in. I'd like to see you have a little more expression in your voice, a little more pitch and intonation variety. That would be a help. In conclusion, you had a speech that related to all of us. We all have bought a car, or we want to find out how to research, negotiate, and seal that deal. You told us how to do that. Thank you for that. Just remember to use pauses for effect and to slow down your rate of speed and use your stage a little more effectively. I look forward to hearing more, and now I know how to buy a car. Madam Toastmaster.